Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a domain in Google Workspace Admin Console. This is incredibly useful when you need to ensure that emails from trusted partners, clients, or specific services always reach your team's inbox without being caught by spam filters. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing all Google Workspace settings. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account, so make sure you have those credentials ready. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. This opens up the navigation panel where you can access all the administrative tools. From the side menu, click on Apps, then select Google Workspace, followed by Gmail. This takes you to the Gmail-specific settings where you can control how email behaves across your organization. Once you're in the Gmail settings, scroll down and click on Spam, Phishing, and Malware. This section is where you'll configure filters and exceptions for incoming mail. If your organization uses multiple organizational units, you may need to select the relevant OU from the list shown. This ensures you're applying the whitelist to the correct group of users. Next, locate the spam section and click Configure. This is where you'll define your spam filter exceptions. If you already have an existing filter set up, you'll see an edit option, click that. If this is your first time setting up a whitelist, click Add Another to create a new rule. Now, check the box next to bypass spam filter for messages received from addresses or domains on these lists. This tells Gmail to treat emails from your specified domains as trusted. You'll now see two options: use existing address list or create or edit list. If you don't have a list yet, click Create or Edit List to make a new one. In the Add Address field, type the domain you want to whitelist, for example, example.com, and click Save. This adds the domain to your trusted list. Head back to the spam configuration screen, select the new list you just created, and click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your organization will now allow emails from the whitelisted domain to bypass spam filters, ensuring important messages always get through. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.